Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Tracy, and I thought it would be fun to just do a couple little woodworking projects that my youngest asked me to build her a shelf that just sits on the floor, and it's just shelves and it sits on the floor by her vanity. She just wants one. So I thought it'd be fun just to bring you along. I've never done it, so we're just gonna see what we can do. And then I thought I would take some my scrap wood, which I have a ton, and make a couple of wooden trees, Christmas trees. So I'm going to use 1x3s, at least to start with, for the Christmas trees. And I'm going to use this board, which I think I'm going to make her shelf 5 feet. So and then just gonna leave it whatever. This is 8 5/8, so we're just gonna leave it that way. So I'm gonna cut that 5 feet and then try to use, that might not be enough shelves. It's a little over 36 inches, which I was wanting to do at least 5. I was going to make them 8 inches. So I would only make 4.5 basically. So I don't know, if not, I'll use another piece of wood and make another shelf because I have other wood. We're just going to put it together and see where it goes, and hopefully it turns out good. We're gonna make a vanity for her skincare. She's artsy, so she does makeup. Okay, I just went and measured it to see how tall I wanted it, and I changed my mind. Her vanity goes to here. I'm gonna cut this down just a little bit. Let's just see how long it makes it. It makes it roughly about 51 inches instead of 50. So now, let's cut this down. That'll be perfect. I like it. So my plan is I'm gonna sand these down, and I'm going to ask her if she wants this painted white or stained. So I'm gonna give her that, but I'm gonna sand it down, and my plan is to attach it with glue and 1 1/4 inch screw in the back, just to give it some stability. Since it's going to be holding probably heavy product of, bottles and stuff, so I think that will work good. Okay, she said she wants it to be white to match her vanity, so that's what we're going to do. We have some leftover paint from her bedroom, so we're going to hope that'll be enough, but it should be. So we're going to sand this down. Let's get my mask on. This is 80. I think I'm going to do and twine. These boards are pretty smooth. See how this works. I won't paint this before I assemble it. I'm gonna do it. While all of that's drying, we're going to make a couple of wooden trees. And we're going to use some scrap wood. So I'm going to make the bottom I'm going to make them 1x3. I'm going to use a 1x4 to make the base. I'm going to make it, since I'm going to do the bottom 12 inches, I'm going to make the base 14 inches. So, we're going to my goal is I wanted to make 2 trees. I just thought it survived in my home, and I just thought 2. I mean, I may end up doing 3 and do 3 different sizes. I'm gonna wait and see how big this one is, and then maybe do one a little bit smaller and a little bit bigger. I don't know. We're gonna do it as we go. Now, and I'm going to cut these in a 45-degree angle. So like that. That's what pictures in my head. Hopefully it works. Otherwise, I probably should have cut these at an angle, especially the smaller ones, when they were bigger. But I didn't think about it, to do some practice, a few on a few, to understand what I'm doing here. Since I've never made it, and I've done angles, but not very much. So I'm just learning. Farming. I'm gonna let this cure overnight and then poly it, and then here's our trees. Oh. Okay, I wanted to do this outside since this is going to be so messy, but I'm going to put faux snow with Mod Podge on these. So my front was. Because after this dries, then spray it with like hairspray to try to keep it in place. So we shall see, but we're gonna try. I just wanted it to look like it had snow on it. If I don't like it, I can always just take it off or make some more. I'm just putting a ton on. There's a bunch in this bag, so I just wanted to show the trees that I built, which I do not like the faux snow, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to get it off or just to make a couple more trees. But I kind of wish I just would have went with something different. It didn't turn out like I thought that it was going to look. And I just wanted to share it because I'm trying to keep it real. It don't always turn out the way you want, but in general, I do love the trees. So, okay, here's the shelf I made my daughter. I just connected it to the actual vanity, which I'm still probably gonna fix this right here. But overall, it's exactly what she wanted. Right, Piper? So she can pack all of her different products she likes to have over there too. So, yeah, we're really happy with it. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I hope this inspired you to go build your own little things. If you have a bunch of scrap wood, utilize it. I plan on doing more projects with the scrap wood in a later time. So stick around, subscribe. See you in the next one.